Hello, Christina's World Kitchen. I'm Christina Martinez Williams, and I'm going to be live in English and in Spanish tonight. Saludos, soy Christina Martinez Williams del equipo de Quiero en Español. Hola, hola. So I'm going in live in English and in Spanish tonight. Voy a estar en vivo en inglés y en español porque estoy en las dos páginas. I'm going live in English and Spanish because I'm in the 2 pages. Y vamos a estar haciendo un pollo cremoso. We're going to be making a creamy chicken que es de curry albahaca. That is of curry and basil. Va a estar una combinación de especias muy sabrosa, but it's going to be a delicious combination of spices y va a estar cremoso, and it's going to be creamy. Dime dónde están mirando, pon eso en los comentarios. Dime en los comentarios dónde están mirando. Tell me in the comments where you're watching from. Dale los reviews corazones y comparte el video. De thumbs up, hearts, share this video para que más personas puedan saber que pueden hacer este estilo de video, so that more people in the world can know that they can do this too. All right, so I have 3 pounds of chicken and 2 tablespoons of butter. Tengo 3 libras de pollo y 2 cucharadas de mantequilla. Y si no has pedido en el descuento de Black Friday, quieres hacerlo ahora, antes que el fin del día, porque es gigante. If you haven't yet shopped on the Black Friday sale, you want to do it now because it is over at the end of the day and it is amazing. So send me a message if you're interested, or comment VIP. Mándame un mensaje o comentas VIP si quieres aprovecharlo, if you want to take advantage of it. All right, so Galilea preguntó para pollo que está aparte, y entonces yo dije, okay, pero voy a escoger las especias. Galilea asked for a chicken that was cooked apart from the veggies, so I said, okay, but I'm going to choose these spices. Entonces, so I'm choosing the spices tonight. I'm letting the butter melt and I'm mixing it all around with my chicken. Estoy permitiendo que la mantequilla está fundiendo y estoy mezclándolo con todo el pollo. Okay, casi está fundido. It's almost melted. Si estás en Quiero en Español, estoy hablando en inglés porque estoy compartiendo mi página nueva también, que está en inglés. If you're in Christina's World Kitchen, I'm speaking in Spanish too because I'm sharing in Quiero en Español in Spanish for the team there as well right now. All right. Now, si hablas español, pon español en los comentarios. Si en Christina's World Kitchen y en Quiero en Español, si hablas inglés, pon inglés en los comentarios, o bilingüe. If you are bilingual and you speak Spanish as well, put bilingual in the comments. I would love to know. Okay, I have now, I'm going to put my spices in. Voy a poner mis especias ahora. Dedos, reviews, corazones, comparte el video, guarda el video. Hearts, share, like this video, share it. All right, I'm looking for my spices. Here we go. I am going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Voy a estar usando 1/4 de cucharadita de canela. Si no te gusta canela para nada, deja el canela, pero me gusta el sabor extra que da. If you don't like cinnamon at all, just leave the cinnamon out. But I love it. Alrighty, ahora vamos a agregar, now we're going to add a teaspoon of onion powder. Vamos a agregar una cucharadita de cebolla en polvo. Y una cucharadita de pimentón and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Oop, that's a big, gotta get that, can't be in there. There's a big clump. 1 teaspoon of paprika. And now we're going to add a tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of basil. 2 teaspoons of basil. I am just making this up while we go. 2 teaspoons of basil. As you know, if you have watched me at all, you know I like to make things up. Estoy haciéndolo, creando la receta durante que estamos hablando. Y si me conoces por algo, sabes que me encanta crear. And 1 tablespoon of curry powder. 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Y 1 cucharada de curry en polvo. Okay. 1 cucharada de curry. Si te gusta curry, pon me gusta en los comentarios. If you like curry, put I like it in the comments. Si no te gusta, pon no me gusta. If you don't like it, put I don't like it in the comments. I would love to know if you like curry or not. If you don't, this recipe still would probably be pretty good without the curry. It would be a little bit different for sure, but it would be really good. Alright, ahora estoy mezclando. Si no te gusta curry, puedes dejar el curry y todavía va a ser rica, diferente, pero rica. Y ahora solo estoy mezclando las especias con todo. Ahora, now I'm just mixing all the spices. Falta uno. I'm missing 1 spice so far. If you're hopping on, we are making a creamy basil curry chicken that has a bunch of other spices too. And this is something that you can eat by itself. You could mix it with, you could eat it with a salad. You could make it into a salad with spinach. You could eat it, mix it with some cauliflower rice. Lots of options. Puedes mezclar eso con espinaca para hacer una ensalada. O puedes mezclarlo con arroz de coliflor. Muchas opciones. Ok, el último especia es sal rosada y 1 cucharada de sal rosada también. Una cucharada de sal rosada. Y mezclamos otra vez. And we're going to, 1 tablespoon of pink salt. And we're going to mix that in. Y solo un ingrediente más. And just 1 more ingredient. Just 1 more ingredient. Ok, el último ingrediente. Yo tengo todavía algunos pollos que no están cocidos todavía, entonces tiene tiempo todavía de cocinar. I still have some chicken that is not yet cooked, so I want to make sure I pay attention. But 1 more ingredient, pero solo uno más ingrediente, es 1 taza de yogur y bajas en carbohidratos. Es sin sabor. Yogurt, baja en carbohidratos, sin sabor. Eso es griego. La mejor es que si puedes tener uno que es bajas en carbohidratos, solo como 2 gramos de azúcar, pero con grasa. The best option is going to be the one that is low carb, like 2 grams of carbs or sugars, and full fat. Si no puedes encontrar esta, otra opción buena es solo baja en azúcar, pero sin grasa. So if you can't find that, then another good option is going to be still low carb, like 0 sugar or 2 grams of sugar, and with low fat. Pero the whole fat is going to be best if you have that option. This is plain, not vanilla. Vanilla would work, but it will definitely change the flavor. So I'm using plain. If you don't have this option, one option you could use is sour cream. You could use a cup of sour cream. That would definitely be a good substitute. Again, it will change the flavor a little bit, but plain yogurt is a little bit tangy too. Si no tienes ese tipo de yogurt o un yogurt que es bajo en carbohidratos y sin sabor, puedes usar también crema agria. Y eso estaría buena opción de grasa, con grasa entera. Y una taza igual. Y porque también está poquito agrio ese tipo de yogurt. Okay, ahora. And now we're just gonna let it simmer and cook till all the chicken is cooked. And it won't be as soupy, but it's great soupy because you can like mix it with anything, with cauliflower rice, with anything really, but cauliflower rice, spinach. And it will cook down a bit. And I want to make sure that I have my yogurt mixed in here well. I'm going to show you how soupy it is at the moment, but it will cook down. So I'm going to cook it for like 10 more minutes. I'll show you. Voy a estar cocinándolo por como 10 más minutos. Look at Christina's World Kitchen. Meat. Meat. Keto en español. All right. Here, Keto en español. ¿Conoces a Christina's World Kitchen? Aquí está. Voy a devolverles y mostrarles a ustedes la cantidad de líquida. Entonces, eso es todo. That is it. This is the recipe. It will be delicious. Actually, I want to get it a little bit cooked where I can try at least a piece of it. And see if there's a piece that's more done than or done. Not more done. I needed to be done to try it. All right. Well, I will post a reel later that shows you what it tastes like because this is not done, and I don't think you want to watch it just boil. So I'm going to put on a timer and make sure it's cooked after 10 minutes. If it's not, I'll keep going. Have a wonderful night from my house to your kitchen. Global flavors and healthy plates from around the world. Bye.